You're watching Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this Hargray internet provider review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using their services. Welcome to my review of Hargray Internet. Hargray is a regional internet service provider serving primarily the southeastern United States. They offer both fiber optic and cable internet options, catering to a variety of users, from residential customers and remote workers to small businesses. Hargray emphasizes reliable speeds, flexible plans, and robust customer support. Their speed tiers range from 100 megabits per second up to a blazing fast 1 gigabit per second. For those who demand the absolute best, Hargray's fiber optic internet provides the fastest and most reliable connections. This fiber service is perfect for bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming in 4K, competitive online gaming, and lag-free video conferencing. Hargray also offers cable internet for customers in more rural areas where fiber may not be available. While cable speeds are generally slower than fiber, they still deliver reliable performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, standard video streaming, and casual gaming. One of Hargray's standout features is their commitment to customer service. They provide 24/7 support through multiple channels, including phone, online chat, and email, ensuring that any issues you encounter can be addressed promptly. Their website is also user-friendly, allowing you to easily check service availability in your area, compare plan options, and even manage your account online. Hargray's pricing is competitive within the market. While they don't typically require long-term contracts, they frequently offer promotions and bundled packages that can make their services even more affordable, especially for new customers. However, it's essential to check their coverage map before getting too excited, as Hargray's services may not be accessible in all areas of the Southeast. To sum up, Hargray is a reliable option for residents of the southeastern US seeking fast and dependable internet service. Their fiber optic plans offer excellent speeds capable of handling demanding online activities, while their strong customer support ensures you'll receive assistance whenever needed. If you're interested in learning more or signing up, be sure to check the links in the description below.